Oh, oh, my head. Oh, my throat.
Good morning, sleepyhead. It is time to wake up. It is a beautiful Saturday.
No, Emma, I cannot wake up. I think this is the end.
What? Don't be dramatic, David.
I am not dramatic. My nose is running like a river. My head feels like a bowling ball.
Acho. Bless you. Let me touch your forehead. You are a little warm. Only a little?
I feel like I am on fire. Call an ambulance. Call the president.
What is happening? Why is Dad crying?
Dad is sick, Peter. He has a cold.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know, son. Listen to my cough. It sounds like a broken car engine.
Poor Dad. He just needs rest. But we need a doctor to take care of him because I have to do laundry.
I can be the doctor. I have my toy medical kit.
Yes.
Dr. Peter, please save me. Okay, Dr. Peter, go get your tools.
Good morning, Mr. David. I am Dr. Peter.
How are you feeling?
Terrible, doctor. Everything hurts. My toes hurt. My eyelashes hurt.
I see.
Let me check your heartbeat. Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe in.
Breathe out.
Yes! It goes boom, boom. Very strong.
Is my heart okay? Thank goodness.
Now, I need to check your temperature. Open your mouth.
No! Put this thermometer under your tongue. Close your mouth.
Wait 1 minute. Still waiting. Okay. Beep, beep. Oh no! It is 38 degrees.
Is that high?
It is fever. You need ice.
Here is the ice pack, Doctor.
Put this on your head.
Ooh. Cold. Cold.
Keep it there. It is good for you.
Nurse Emma, we need medicine for the patient.
Yes, Doctor. What do you prescribe?
Does it taste good? I hate bad medicine.
It is delicious. Here is the vitamin C.
And here is the syrup.
Patient, open wide.
Here comes the airplane?
No, Dad. You are a grown-up. Just eat it.
Yum. It is sweet. I feel 1% better.
Medicine is not enough. You need hydration.
That is a big word, Doctor.
must drink water every 10 minutes.
But I am not thirsty.
Doctor's orders. Here is your water bottle. Drink.
Finished.
Good boy.
Now, sleep. Close your eyes. But I am bored. Can I watch TV? No TV.
No TV.
TV is bad for the brain virus. Sleep. You are a very strict doctor.
While the patient sleeps, we must make the superpower soup. What is inside the soup? We need chicken, carrots, potatoes, and onions. Onions make me cry.
Can you scrub them hard?
Wash, wash, wash. Clean carrots. Now I will chop the onions. Chop, chop, chop.
Ew. The smell is strong. My eyes are stinging. It kills the germs. Wow.
Put everything in the big pot, add water, add salt, add pepper.
Can I stir? Yes. Be careful, the pot is hot. Round and round. Mix it all together.
Let's taste it. It needs love.
Love? How do we add love? We blow a kiss into the soup. Mwah, mwah. Now it is magic soup.
Let it boil for 10 minutes.
Wake up, Mr. David. Lunchtime. Is it pizza?
No, it is superpower soup.
Sit up, David. Let me fix your pillows.
I am too weak to lift the spoon.
I will feed you.
Open mouth. Say, ah. Ah. It is hot, but it is tasty.
1 spoon for the carrot.
1 spoon for the chicken. 1 spoon for Dr. Peter. Hey! Hey! That was my chicken!
Doctors need energy too. Doctors need energy too.
I'm full. But I am sad. Being sick is boring.
Do you want me to read a story?
Yes, please. My favorite story. The Little Rabbit.
Once upon a time, there was a rabbit who had a cold.
Yes.
Yes, but the rabbit didn't complain as much as you.
Burn.
The rabbit drank his soup and slept, and the next day, he was strong. The end.
That was a short story. But I liked it.
Wait a minute.
Yes, it worked.
Magic soup, magic soup.
My head is okay. My throat is okay.
Let me check the temperature again. Beep, beep.
36.5 degrees.
Normal! I am cured!
Yay! The magic soup worked!
Thank you, Dr. Peter. You are a genius. And thank you, Nurse Emma.
You are welcome. Now you can help me clean the house.
Clean the house? Well, maybe I am still a little weak.
Achoo! Oh no! Achoo! Oh no. Mom, my head hurts. My nose is running. Achoo!
Oh dear. Now you are sick.
Dad, I need water.
Don't worry. Dr. David is here. I will make the soup. Oh no, run.